going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you can't tell, we've moved out of the laundry room. We're finally moving up, guys. It feels good though, honestly. The office is pretty much all together now. I still gotta move some things around, but for the most part, it's the way I want it. I mean, there's gonna be upgrades here and there, but I'm finally moved out of the laundry room. That's all that matters. Anyways, today I wanted to quickly start off by going through that video that I told you guys to comment on, and I'm going to be randomly selecting somebody to go win any shirt that they want from my website. And I also want to say thank you guys for everybody that has gone on the website and put some orders in. It feels really good. I really do appreciate it. But anyways, let's go over to that video. I'm going to go through that comment section right now, and we will be picking the winner right now. So I'm going to have a few variations. I'm going to pick a handful of you guys randomly that'll win, and you guys can just tell me what you want and I'll send it right out to you guys. Alright guys, so here's the video. I'm going to be going through the comments, inputting everybody's name into a random generator selector thing. I'm going to go look on Google right now for one. And yeah, good luck. There you go. Alright, let's pick the first person. I think I'm going to do 3 people. Where's the name? Okay, there is the first winner. We'll do 2 more. There is winner number 2. Timothy, congratulations. Paul Yassi, alright, well, congratulations, guys. Alright, guys, so I did want to start this video off with that little giveaway that I recorded a few days ago, because that was pretty fun to do for me. A good way to interact with you guys and, give back a little bit and say thank you. So I did reach out to those winners, and they all picked a shirt, and 2 of them I'm getting in soon, but anyways, they're all taken care of. I'm going to be sending them out, so congratulations again. We're going to go out in the garage, and we're going to talk a little bit about the 4-link system that I got going on. And actually, before we go out in the garage, I want to, well, we are in the garage, but into the next little room here, but I want to show you guys, I told you I was going to do this a long time ago, and I finally did it. So it's obviously not done yet. I mean, I just put up a few that I've been saving for a while, like obviously the Chris Fix comment, that was kind of big, and some nice little comments that I've gotten over these past few months. It's just good to keep up there for motivation, especially when times like now I'm pretty busy and I can't really get to my content. And I get a little bit stressed out, and I really want to keep putting out some good stuff and making good progress on the car, but it's okay. We'll get to that in a second. Alright, so the 4-link kit is here finally. I have received it, and it is from a great company that's actually working with me today on this video, and I will most likely include them on the next couple videos or however many videos it takes to get this installed. But we are working with welderseries.com. I wanted to say thank you guys first, because it was because of you guys, all my subscribers and followers, that I'm able to actually contact these companies and work with them for them to help me out. And they actually gave me a pretty good discount on this kit. Now, this company is pretty nice. I mean, their customer service is absolutely amazing, but I was shocked when I went on their website to see how many things they had available on their website. They had frame cross member kits and motor mounts and sway bar kits and 4-link kits, a bunch of different welding stuff, a bunch of different little brackets that you can get. They even have custom 3D printing. They got a lot of stuff. You should check it out for yourself. And they helped me out. And since you guys helped me out, they want to repay the favor back to you guys with a little promo code, and that's Lifted Wrangler 1001. I will have that in the description, and I will also have welderseries.com, their link in the description. It'll be at the very top. Go over their website, and if you need anything on there, make sure you use the promo code, and I wanted to say thank you guys for that. So, as I was telling you guys, they sent over the 4-link kit. Now, the 4-link kit is 4 links, and if you guys don't know what that means, there's going to be 4 ways that my axle connects to the car via control arms. There's going to be 2 uppers, 2 lowers. Yes, I'm going to have the suspension or the coilovers or whatever I'm going to be doing, but the actual method that the car will be connected to the axle is this control arm system here. Now, when I first saw the actual product on the website, the 4-link kit that I'm going to be using here, it was almost perfect. As you may know, I am trying to make this kit work with the solid axle that already has all the brackets welded on, because the axle that I'm using already came out of a 4-link car. So if I can make it work, then I don't need to do any modifications to the actual axle itself. So luckily I contacted Welder Series and I told them my situation, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about right now. But the way that I was going to be connecting the upper control arms to the axle, their method online was a little bit different than what I needed, and I told them that I needed a fork style to go over the brackets that I have on the upper control arm brackets, and they said no problem, give us measurements, and I did, and here you go. And they got a few options. You can choose ready to weld, or you can weld it all yourself. That's the same thing. You can choose ready to weld or welded. So they will do the work for you, or if you want to do it yourself, it's a little bit cheaper. Now in this kit, I got the 4 control arms and I gave them my center to center measurements, and they made them custom to my measurements. They gave me the brackets that I'm going to be using. Now there's a bunch of extra brackets here that I'm not going to be using. And the reason is they give you this kit assuming that your rear axle is not set up for a 4-link kit. So they will give you the brackets that you can weld onto your axle. But as I just said, because mine came out of a 4-link kit, it's already set up for it. I don't need to do anything to the axle. So with that being said, and I will say it again, those brackets are extra and I won't be using them. The ones I will be using are up here. Now these ones are going to be the ones I use for the upper control arms, and I got 2 here. I don't know why these are the extra ones I was talking about. Let's put them back here. These ones are going to be for the lower control arms, and like I said, these are going to be getting welded to the upper control arms here, and these get welded to the lower control arm here and the other end of every control arm. And the nice thing is they give you all these bushings here, and you can just, I'll do this one-handed real quick to show you guys. But that's what's going to be going into the brackets and holding everything together. Now, some of you may or may not know, but I was laid off for quite some time. I am a union electrician, and I was laid off for quite a bit, but I just took a 2-week call for a shutdown job. So I'm extremely busy, and I'm not able to actually get some stuff done that I wanted to. So I've been kind of stressed out, but you know what? I said, listen, it's temporary. As long as I let you guys know what's going on and give you guys some updates, that's the only thing I can really do. But the good thing is I'm making a little bit of money, so it'll help keep this going once I have more time. But I'm not going to get too much done in the next week or so until this job that I'm going to is all wrapped up. And I do have an idea of how I'm going to tackle this job for the 4-link kit, but it's still a little bit intimidating because there's a lot of things that can go wrong. But I'm just going to take it step by step, and that's what I've been doing this entire time with this project, and it seems to have been going well so far, so I'm not going to let this get the best of me. I'm just going to take care of it just like I normally do. Anyways, guys, this is meant to be a short video, but I know that I ramble and ramble all the time, so it's probably a little longer than I expected. But mainly, this is just an update video, and I wanted to do that little giveaway at the beginning of the video. If you guys want to help me out and keep supporting me, make sure you guys go to the website and take a look at some stuff. I got 2 different types of stickers now and 4 different types of shirts. I will try to get some more designs going soon, but so far the response on the website has been amazing. It's really been fun fulfilling those orders and sending them out to you guys. because it means a lot to me that you guys are supporting me and you want to see me keep going and doing what I love to do. Anyways, guys, I am going to leave you with that. I really do appreciate it, and you will see me soon. I will keep you guys updated as much as I can. But until next time, thank you, and we'll see you next time.